Now, the last thing I want to show you is how to unlock region lock streaming content. So I'm going to go back over to the Home tab in the top left. Then I'll click Pause, and then disconnect from the Japan servers. I'll click on Pause here. So now my device is no longer protected, and my IP address is going to show my actual location, which is the United States. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up my internet browser and go to Netflix. Now on Netflix here, if I scroll down, you'll see it says top 10 TV shows in the US today. Now watch what happens when I go back to NordVPN and select the Japan server. Now that I'm connected, I'm going to go back over to my Netflix tab, and I'll simply refresh the page. And now if I scroll back down, you're going to see that it lists the top 10 TV shows in Japan. This means that I now have access to the Japan exclusive Netflix catalog, and you can do this for all sorts of different countries. And if you find that you're getting blocked from accessing a certain country's catalog, I'd recommend changing out your server location, clearing the cookies in your browser, or you can contact NordVPN support.